How many? Come on.
It's been 44 days.
44.
And 21 hours, so about 45 days since we posted a video.
Out like 6 feet. Should be wearing a mask.
We've moved into the shop.
Yep.
Been setting it up, getting these pallet shelves, installed a lift, installed compressor, run air line throughout the place, get electricity, AC, all the fixings that pretty much you gotta do when you get a new shop space. But with all the shop work comes the neglect of project work. The projects, actually the E30's worse off than it was when it left the shop, the old shop. 7 Series, it's further along than the E30.
Yes.
Well, it's made more progress since we got here than the E30 has made. One big step is these wheels that we got for it. I don't know if the lighting's very good, but
You want to show them?
check them wheels out. Rotiform BUC-Ms, the BUC-Ms.
BUC-Ms.
For them cowboys.
Shout out to Rotiform for that.
thanks, I
Thank
hooked it
you.
up. This isn't done. Literally threw the wheels on, maxed the camber out, and got the base line before we start modifying stuff to make them fit the way we want them to fit. The motor for this thing is coming together. I got it kind of somewhat together.
What other surprises do we have for this?
We got
Upgraded turbos.
upgraded turbos. They kind of look stock. These are the stock ones. That's an upgraded one. Everything's fresh except for pistons, rings, cone rods, crank. I mean, it's gonna leak at some point because it's a BMW, but it's true. All right, so moving on to the E30. This is the biggest wormhole can of worms, I think. Well, it's way more of a can of worms than we ever thought it would be when we bought it. I mean, it's going well. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to be a negative Nancy here. It's going well. Devlin and I bagged it to get it out of the shop.
Yep, which I don't know if that made it into a video.
Oh, did it? No?
I don't know, but put it
I don't
in.
know.
Put it in.
Just cut to something from that. Shorties. We gotta see what it looks like. We know at least it goes low. Miss Devlin already.
R.I.P.
Same.
R.I.P. My buddy Seth helped me bring both of the cars over here. Give me a high five, motherfucker. What else have I done?
Put the rotors on backwards.
No.
I'm just trying to piss them off. Got some sweet fabric that matches the interior. Can't tell you what we're gonna do with it yet, but
Actually, I'm gonna put it on the outside of the car. I have restored the rear differential, which is over there on the shelf.
she looks pretty.
Restored the differential, so that's good to go back in. So yeah, this thing, can of worms. The reason why I call it a can of worms is because there's a bunch of rust and rot issues we didn't know about. My fault. I went and bought the car.
Yes.
I tore all the brake lines out, ABS pump, everything, and we're gonna do soft lines from Chase Bays all the way through the car. We'll let you guys know how those work out. They want us to give them an honest review, so
They will have it.
they will have it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this will be bagged. We're not gonna paint it. We're gonna put on some wheels, bag it, driving around. It's gonna be a nice, hopefully, shop grocery getter for the fall.
We got new space, more tools,
Yeah.
AC.
AC is the big thing. It's not running right now, but because it's kind of nice. Nice swing.
Pallet shelving.
Perfect 69 degrees this morning. Can't
Feels
get it.
good.
That's like the best temperature.
Yeah, I agree.
Best number, but best temperature too.
Right.
So with a move comes excitement, and with excitement comes stunts, and stunts can consist of mostly burning rubber. And we did quite a bit of that over the past several weeks. So much so that our landlord is really pissed about it. And then on top of that, 2 people have run into the building. Not in a violent way, just in a parking way. No stunt hurt the building.
No.
I want to make that clear. Eventually, we're gonna get sick of it and just say, "F it."
Yeah, just wait.
Just wait.
Just wait.
It's going to be a very spectacular thing when that happens. I don't think it's going to bode well with the management.
You say no, we do it.
Yeah.
Well, Peter, give us some cool shots of the shop. Show everyone how big it is. How much better space we got to work with. Cool.
Cool. See you guys.
Bye.